Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can lose your weight by using natural ingredients. So guys, this video could be helpful for you if you are looking for something that could be helpful to lose your weight, because here in this video, I'm gonna suggest you a solution that you can intake and you can reduce your fats. So now we're going to start our video, and here I'm gonna divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, what we are gonna use for our solution, and the second part where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity, and my last part, it would be related to our process. So guys, now we are going to start our first part of the video where I will let you know about the benefits of the ingredients. Ginger is a widely used spice that is packed with the antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It is rich in various nutrients such as vitamin A, C, and E, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, potassium, iron, and calcium. Along with offering several medicinal benefits, this spice also aids in promoting weight loss. Ginger helps in weight loss by promoting the feeling of satiety. It will help to avoid unnecessary snacking, thus making it easier for you to keep your weight in check. It is also good for digestion and boost metabolism. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have already shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients with the quantity. So guys, for this solution we have needed 4 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the turmeric powder. Number 2, we have needed the ginger. Number 3, we have needed the water. And number 4, we have needed the cinnamon sticks. So guys, now we will talk about the quantity. For our first ingredient, turmeric powder, we have needed 1 teaspoon. For our second ingredient, ginger, we have needed the ginger piece about ½ inch. And for our third ingredient, water, we have needed the 1 cup. And for our fourth and the last ingredient, cinnamon sticks, we have just needed 3 to 4 in quantity. So guys, these were the ingredients with the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will share with you the process. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is add ginger and turmeric to water and let it boil. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what you have to do for this step 1. Number 1, add ginger and turmeric powder to a pan. Number 2, boil the water for about 5 minutes or until the flavor is infused in water. That was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is add cinnamon sticks and simmer. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, add cinnamon sticks to the boiling water. Number 2, let it simmer for about 2 more minutes. Number 3, filter the tea in a cup and serve. Number 1, it's not advisable to have turmeric on an empty stomach as it may lead to acid reflux. Number 2, if you are on any kind of medication, consult your doctor before using turmeric for losing weight. Number 3, it is best to seek professional advice before taking turmeric supplement. Number 4, pregnant women and the nursing mother should avoid taking turmeric supplements. Number 5, an easy way to increase your daily turmeric consumption is by adding the spice to your food regularly. However, you must keep in mind that excessive turmeric will not only spoil the taste of your food but will also have adverse effects on your health. The recommended quantity is ½ to 1 tablespoon for each dish. So guys, that was a simple and the easy process to lose your weight by using natural ingredients. Here I'm gonna add one thing for you. Don't take it if your stomach is empty. So guys, this was the solution for today. Next time I will come with some useful solutions. Till that time, take care.